Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
Just Joyful Eyes Metaverse Tequila Distillery. Just Joyful, one of the best-selling tequila brands, is entering the metaverse with the first tequila distillery. The virtual world scheduled to make its debut in the Decentraland on Sunday, July 24. The launch coincides with National Tequila Days. According to an official statement from the company, the virtual space reimagines the IRL literally experience in a way only the metaverse can create, all while paying homage to the experience one may have at Just Dreadful La Roche Distillery in Tequila, Mexico, Latin America, oldest operational distillery. Users who visit the metaverse virtually will be able to create their own virtual cocktail, as well as learn a thing or two about tequila. The metaverse space will also double as a platform for users to meet like-minded people. Upon visiting the site, users can enter the Truffle Discovery Garden, attend the Pina Pool Party, journey through the Crystal Filter portal, explore the Familia Bar, and go to the Meta Distillery. Official introduced in 1795, Joe's hold a remarkable history, including receiving the grant from King Ferdinand VI of Spain in 1758. The grant gave Don Jose Antoni de Turfo the right to harvest the plants that went into making its tequila. The popular tequila brand is run out of Mexico by the Beckham family, descendant of the origin founder. Just Duerso sells about 20% of the tequila consumed worldwide. Upon visiting the site, users can enter the Turfo Discovery Garden, attend the Pina Pool Party, journey to the Crystal Filter Portal, explore the Familia Bar, go to the Meta Distillery. Official introduced in 1795, just hold a remarkable history, including receiving a grant from King Ferdinand VI of Spain in 1758. The grant gave Don Jose the right to harvest the plants that went into making its tequila. The popular tequila brand is run out of Mexico by the Beckham family, descendant of the origin founders. Gesture for sells about 20% of the tequila consumed worldwide. Just Joyful, one of the best-selling tequila brands, is entering the metaverse with the first tequila distillery in the virtual world. Scheduled to make its debut in Decentraland on Sunday, July 24, the launch coincides with National Tequila Days. According to an official statement from company, the virtual space reimagined the IRL literally experience in a way only the metaverse can create, all while paying homage to the experience one may have at Jos Trifos La Regione Distillery in Tequila, Mexico, Latin America's oldest operational distillery. Users who visit the metaverse distillery will be able to create their own virtual cocktail, as well as learn a thing of or two about tequila. The metaverse space will also double as a platform for users to meet like-minded people. Upon visiting this site, User can enter the for Discovery Garden, a fan filter portal, explore the familiar bar, and go talk the meta distillery. Officially introduced in 1795, Joe's hold a remarkable history, including receiving a grant from King Ferdinand VI of Spain in 1758. The grant gave Don Jose Antoni the cure for the right to harvest the plant that went into making its tequila. The popular tequila brand is run out of Mexico by the Beckham family, descendant of the origin founder. Just Jorfo sell about 20% of the tequila consumed worldwide. Officially introduced in 1795, Jos holds a remarkable story, including receiving grant from King Ferdinand VI of Spain in 1758. The grant gave Don Jose Antoni the Cuervo the right to harvest the plants that went into making its tequila.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.